I'm the manager at the Green River RV Park, recently under new ownership, and we have added quite a few things. We've got what I like to call Little Vegas, but it is a little area to play the skills games. We've added a coffee shop, and we also have a bar, a kegerator, so you can get your beer on tap. We also sell beer. So we have 19 pull-through spots that are full hookups that you can have power, sewer, and water. They are 30 and 50 amps, so you can hook up to either or. We have 10 back-end spots that hold 30-foot max campers. We have 4 tent sites, and then up there is a shower house, and that's our E section. And then we also have a long-term section where there are about 35 spots, and there's also laundry down there for them and a shower house. We offer a dry cabin. It likes to get rented out as a monthly or a long term because people are here for work. And then we also just brought in a man camp, so we have one of those and we're getting that up on the ground running. Our shower houses are recently renovated. Another amenity we have is a fully functioning kitchen that we offer to our guests if they need more space or anywhere to do a birthday party or anything like that. We offer this, and then we also offer coffee for our overnighters or anybody long-term staying. Just their morning cup of joe, you can stop and get it. We also have a keg for your convenience to get some beers, and we like to keep a couple domestics and some locals. So this one's out of Bend, Oregon. This one's out of Tense Lake, Wyoming, just your domestic. This one's brewed in Rock Springs, Wyoming. And then this one's Twisted Tea, and this one's out of Sidney, Montana. We also offer a tap beer sample set for $5 where you can try 4 of our beers. You can also get one just a full cup for $4.50. And we'll top you off with a nice, foamy, delicious beer. We also have Wild Lotto and Keno at our location. We also have a coffee shop in our RV park, and it's called Irish Cowboy Brews. We offer coffees, Red Bulls, Italian sodas, and we're looking to bring in those dirty sodas that everyone's after. This is our Wyoming Cowboy, and it has mocha, caramel, topped with whipped cream and a little bit of caramel drizzle. This is our Fishing in the Dark, and it has blue raspberry, coconut, and strawberry, and it's our infused Red Bull, so it of course has a Red Bull in it. We are located at 360 Washington Street in Green River, Wyoming. You would take I-80 and then get off on exit 89, hop on Highway 374 for about 2 miles, and then you'll see us. Our email address is greenriverrvpark@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video.